Welcome to VitaNHealth. Do you know an incredibly beneficial mixture that you may have already tried? The sun begins to crest the horizon, casting a soft golden glow over a quiet kitchen as the day slowly awakens. A kettle whistles gently, signaling the start of a simple, intentional ritual, preparing a warm glass of water with fresh lemon. We add a spoonful of golden raw honey, transforming this humble drink into a biological catalyst that resets our internal systems. After a long night of fasting, your body is naturally dehydrated, craving a gentle nudge to jumpstart its essential morning functions. The citric acid and vitamin C in the lemon act as a signal, stimulating digestive enzymes to prepare for the day ahead. Meanwhile, the bioactive enzymes in raw honey integrate seamlessly, creating a synergy that works to balance your internal pH levels. Visualize this process as a molecular wake-up call, a soft ripple effect that hydrates your cells and ignites your metabolic engine. By consuming this elixir before your first meal, you are priming your body, setting a foundation for systemic health and vitality. It is more than just a morning beverage. It is a deliberate, natural choice that bridges the gap between rest and activity. As we explore these interactions, we begin to see how small, consistent habits can profoundly influence our overall daily physiological performance. Consider the journey of water through your system, acting as the primary medium for every chemical reaction that sustains your life. When you add the lemon, you are not just flavoring the water, you are introducing electrolytes that facilitate better cellular absorption. The acidity of the lemon mimics the natural environment of your stomach, signaling the body to begin its digestive processes early. This gentle stimulation helps to clear out residual toxins that may have accumulated during the long hours of your nightly rest. Now, observe the honey, a complex substance crafted by nature, containing trace minerals, antioxidants, and unique enzymes that support wellness. Unlike refined sugars, raw honey provides a steady release of energy, preventing the sharp spikes often associated with processed breakfast foods. The combination creates a unique chemical environment where the lemon's acidity is softened by the natural sweetness of the honey. This balance is crucial as it ensures that the drink is gentle on your stomach lining while still being highly effective. Think of this as a symphony of nutrients, where every component plays a specific role in preparing your body for the day. Vitamin C supports your immune system, while the antioxidants in the honey work to neutralize free radicals at a cellular level. This is a process of restoration, helping to repair the wear and tear that occurs during the natural cycles of your day. As you sip the warm liquid, feel the warmth spreading through your core, signaling to your organs that it is time to work. Your liver, the primary detoxification organ, receives a boost from the lemon's compounds, encouraging the production of bile for digestion. Meanwhile, the honey provides the necessary glucose to fuel your brain, helping you feel more alert and focused almost immediately. It is a harmonious collaboration between two of nature's most potent ingredients, working in tandem to optimize your internal environment. The simplicity of the ritual is its greatest strength, requiring nothing more than a few minutes of your time each morning. By making this a daily habit, you are consciously choosing to prioritize your health over the rush of a busy schedule. The cumulative effect of this practice becomes apparent over time, as your energy levels stabilize and your digestion becomes more efficient. You might notice a clearer complexion, a more consistent mood, and a general sense of well-being that persists throughout the day. This is the power of consistency, where small, intentional actions lead to significant improvements in your overall quality of life. The water serves as the foundation, ensuring that your cells are properly hydrated and ready to perform their complex tasks. The lemon acts as the activator, turning on the machinery of your metabolism and ensuring that everything is running smoothly. The honey acts as the fuel, providing the clean energy required to sustain these processes without causing a crash later on. Together, they form a complete package, addressing hydration, digestion, and energy in one single, refreshing morning glass. It is a testament to the wisdom of traditional practices, which often understood the body's needs long before modern science. Modern research now confirms what many have known for centuries, that natural ingredients can have profound effects on our biology. The key lies in the quality of the ingredients you choose, ensuring that your honey is raw and your lemons are fresh. Avoid the temptation to use processed alternatives, as they lack the bioactive compounds that make this drink so effective. The ritual itself is a form of mindfulness, allowing you to center yourself before the demands of the day take over. As the steam rises from your glass, take a moment to breathe and appreciate the simple act of nourishing your body. This connection between mind and body is essential for long-term health, creating a positive feedback loop that supports your goals. You are not just drinking water. You are setting an intention for how you want your body to function today. This level of awareness transforms a mundane task into a powerful tool for personal transformation and sustained vitality. The benefits extend beyond the physical, as the ritual provides a sense of control and stability in an unpredictable world. Each morning becomes an opportunity to reset, to start fresh, and to give your body exactly what it needs to thrive. The science behind this is elegant in its simplicity, relying on the body's innate ability to respond to natural signals. By providing the right inputs, you are essentially guiding your body toward a state of homeostasis and optimal performance. It is a partnership between you and your biology, built on trust and the consistent application of simple, effective principles. As you finish your glass, notice how your body feels more awake, more alert, and ready to tackle the upcoming challenges. This is the result of a well-prepared system, one that has been primed and fueled by the right combination of nutrients. The transition from rest to activity is now seamless, supported by the foundational work you did in those first few minutes. You have effectively bypassed the sluggishness that often accompanies the start of the day, replacing it with focused energy. This is not about quick fixes or magic bullets, but about understanding the fundamental needs of your human physiology. By honoring these needs, you create a sustainable path toward better health, one glass of lemon and honey at a time. The ripple effect of this single habit will continue to influence your choices throughout the rest of your busy day. You will find yourself more attuned to your body's signals, more likely to choose healthy foods, and more resilient to stress. This is the true power of the morning ritual, a catalyst for a lifestyle defined by health, balance, and vitality. As you step out into the world, carry this sense of purpose with you, knowing you have already done something good. The day is now yours to shape, supported by the quiet strength of a habit that works as hard as you do. Embrace this simple, powerful ritual and watch as it transforms not just your mornings but your entire approach to living. Moving beyond the initial digestive spark, we must examine the deeper, long-term physiological impact this simple daily habit has on our internal systems. This ritual acts as a foundational pillar for overall wellness, supporting our immune system while providing a steady, reliable stream of sustained daily energy. Consider how the potent antioxidants found in raw honey work in tandem with the natural detoxifying properties of fresh lemon to combat oxidative stress. This dynamic duo provides a clean, jitter-free energy boost that contrasts sharply with the typical crash often associated with heavy morning caffeine consumption habits. By choosing this natural elixir, you are effectively fueling your cells with bioactive compounds that promote cellular repair and help maintain systemic internal balance. The true magic lies in the consistency of the practice, illustrating how small, intentional morning choices can serve as the bedrock for long-term health. While it may initially appear to be a simple folk remedy, this combination is a scientifically grounded approach to priming your body for the day. Ultimately, this morning elixir is about more than just hydration. It is a transformative, intentional act that fosters lasting vitality and holistic physical well-being. When you drink this mixture, you are essentially initiating a complex biochemical dialogue between the nutrients and your body's internal regulatory mechanisms. Lemon juice provides a concentrated dose of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis and maintaining the integrity of our skin and tissues. Simultaneously, the enzymes present in raw honey assist in the breakdown of nutrients, ensuring your body absorbs them with maximum efficiency right from the start. This isn't just about waking up, It is about providing your metabolic pathways with the specific precursors they need to function optimally throughout the morning. As the lemon water hydrates your cells, the honey acts as a gentle, natural fuel source that prevents the blood sugar spikes common with processed breakfasts. Think of this as a biological reset button, clearing out the metabolic debris that accumulates during our hours of sleep and preparing for new activity. The synergy between these two ingredients creates an environment where your body can thrive rather than just survive. During the early hours of the day, scientific observations suggest that the polyphenols in lemon work synergistically with the flavonoids in honey to reduce systemic inflammation across various organ systems. This reduction in inflammation is crucial, as chronic, low-grade inflammation is often the silent precursor to many of the health challenges we face today. By integrating this habit, you are proactively managing your internal environment, creating a buffer against the stressors that you will inevitably encounter later on. The hydration component is equally vital, as water is the medium through which every single chemical reaction in your body takes place every day. Adding lemon and honey transforms plain water into a nutrient-dense solution that encourages better cellular uptake and improves overall fluid balance in the body. Many people underestimate the power of simple hydration, but when combined with these natural additives, the benefits extend far beyond basic thirst quenching. It is a gentle way to wake up your kidneys and liver, the primary organs responsible for filtering toxins and maintaining the purity of your blood. As these systems are stimulated, your body becomes more efficient at processing waste, which translates to clearer skin and a more vibrant, energized appearance. This process is not about a sudden, jarring change, but rather a gradual, sustainable improvement in how your body handles its daily physiological workload. When you repeat this process every single morning, you are reinforcing these positive biological pathways, making them more efficient and responsive over time. The cumulative effect of this consistency is what leads to the long-term health benefits that many practitioners of this ritual frequently report to us. It serves as a daily reminder that your health is not just the result of major interventions, but the sum of many small, intentional actions. The simplicity of the ingredients belies the complexity of the benefits, proving that nature often provides the most effective solutions for our modern needs. As you sip this warm mixture, take a moment to appreciate the science at work, turning a simple glass of water into a powerful tool. This is a form of self-care that requires minimal effort, but yields significant returns in terms of how you feel and perform every day. The antioxidants in honey are particularly effective at neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cellular structures. By providing your body with a steady supply of these antioxidants, you are effectively building a defense system that works around the clock for you. Lemon also contributes to this defense, as its acidic nature helps to balance the pH levels in your digestive tract, creating a healthier gut environment. A healthy gut is the cornerstone of a strong immune system, meaning this morning habit is also a powerful way to bolster your natural defenses. When your gut is functioning correctly, your body is better able to absorb the nutrients from all the other foods you consume throughout the day. This creates a positive feedback loop where your morning choice improves your digestion, which in turn improves your overall nutritional status and energy. It is fascinating to see how a simple, centuries-old remedy aligns so perfectly with our modern understanding of nutrition and human physiology today. The wisdom of the past is being validated by modern science, giving us even more reason to embrace these traditional, natural health practices daily. You might find that after a few weeks of this routine, your reliance on other stimulants begins to naturally decrease as your energy stabilizes. This is a sign that your body is finding its own natural rhythm, supported by the right nutrients at the right time of the day. The goal is to move away from the cycle of dependency and toward a state of self-sustaining vitality that lasts from morning until night. This transition is supported by the steady release of energy from the honey, which provides a consistent fuel source for your brain and muscles. Unlike the rapid spike and crash of caffeine, this energy is smooth, sustained, and perfectly suited for the demands of a busy modern lifestyle. It allows you to maintain focus and clarity without the jittery side effects that often accompany other popular morning beverage choices we make daily. Furthermore, the ritual itself provides a moment of calm, a brief pause in your morning routine that can help reduce your overall stress levels. Mental health and physical health are deeply interconnected, and taking time for this ritual is a small act of kindness toward your own body. When you feel better physically, your mental outlook naturally improves, creating a more positive and productive start to your day every single morning. This holistic approach is what makes the lemon and honey combination so uniquely powerful compared to other single-ingredient morning health hacks or trends. It addresses multiple systems simultaneously, providing a comprehensive boost that touches on digestion, immunity, energy, and even your overall mental well-being. As we continue to learn more about the gut-brain axis, the importance of such rituals becomes even more apparent in our daily health journey. Your body is a highly responsive system, and it will thank you for providing it with the high-quality fuel it needs to function well. By making this a non-negotiable part of your morning, you are setting a standard for how you treat your body for the rest of time. It is an investment in your future self, a small down payment on the long-term health and vitality you hope to enjoy for years. So as you prepare your next glass, remember that you are doing something profound for your health, one simple sip at a time. The science is clear, the benefits are tangible, and the practice is accessible to everyone, regardless of their current health or lifestyle goals. Embrace this ritual as a cornerstone of your wellness journey, and watch how it transforms your daily experience in ways you never expected. The journey to better health is often paved with small, consistent steps, and this morning elixir is one of the most effective steps. Stay curious about how your body responds, and enjoy the process of becoming more attuned to your own internal needs and natural rhythms. Your commitment to this practice is a testament to your dedication to living a healthier, more vibrant, and more intentional life every day. With every morning that passes, you are building a stronger, more resilient version of yourself, powered by the simplest of natural ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.